Can you make him grab the pen?
Oops. I can get it to Daddy.
Wait, squeeze a little more.
Oops.
Oh, you dropped it.
Oh, well, let me do the airplane.
Here, let Corey hold the pen for you.
Okay.
All right, Corey, give him the pen.
Oops. Oops.
She's putting it. Oh, okay.
It's okay. All right, Matt, go ahead and put in the box. Can you put in the box?
Oh, gotta lift up.
Lift them up.
Do you know which one does that?
I know. I need to turn left and lift it up first.
Okay, good, true.
So this way is lift up.
Oh,
Oh,
there you
let go, Corey.
Good job, Mackie. Okay, now see if you can turn it over there and put it in the
No,
box.
this way.
There you go, bud. Yeah!
Wow, you did it.
Good job.
Okay, Corey wants to try?
Okay. Guys, I actually have the smallest
All right, cool.
keyboard.
Hey, Mac, do you want to hand the robot the
Yes. Corey,
pen?
you need to remember I don't know where the pin is there yet.
Okay.
Corey, Daddy, I can't seem to move this thing. It's this one.
Are they too hard to push for you? You do have to have strong fingers to push those.
But Corey, this one it goes where you. That's the left and right button. Okay. Push the button that. Try and figure out which one it was. No, that's the up and down button.
There you go. Try that one. That'll grab it. Other way.
So keep.
There he goes.
Whoa,
He got it.
cool, guys.
Now